There was this particular person who I had asked this kind of a question that what do you think or how do you think that this position or this admission is going to impact your life? He had a very prepared sort of a structure. So he was like, sir, I see it in four very, very typical ways. There are multiple other points as well that I can tell, but these are the four things which kind of stands out for me.
That's a very good way to put it, right?
It shows that he was expecting this particular question. So he basically started with a smile on that, into saying that I'm glad you asked this particular question because I have spent so much of time without saying that, right? So I have these four aspects of looking at it. I will not deny the part that the brand, the degree, and the immediate recognition that this gives me is immense value. There is no way that I will tell you that has not been a draw. So this thing will basically tell people very clearly that I set a goal for myself and I completed that and I delivered that. So that is my first piece of the thing. The second piece of the thing is very simple, that I have seen in my own group that people who come from this kind of an institute succeed, do very, very well for themselves. If I am with those kind of people, I will give myself better chance of that.
Okay.
Right. I feel that I will be able to add value and derive value out of the company that it gives me.
So utilization of peer group, I guess, right?
Yes. Right. Then the third one is, sir, I have not had a chance of being in a so-called premier institute to really understand what the environment and what the opportunities that this kind of a place gives. But I think that I deserve and I have the readiness to basically make good of this exceptional opportunity that this gives. Be it the visiting presidents and vice presidents and CEOs and all of that, interacting with them, interacting with this kind of a faculty, having this kind of a library and so on and so forth. I think it is going to be exceptional. And the fourth one is a very personal one, sir. I think my family has done so much that this would be a perfect way for me to make them proud of what they have given up.
So no, this thing, I have got these qualities and I've got those qualities, none of that.
He didn't get into any of that. I'm just giving you an example from there. And all of the things that we are talking about were subsumed in that. So he's proud of his family. He's aware of the things that happen in the campus. He is giving enough and more of a value to his peer that he will get associated with. अभी उसमें मेरे को कुछ explicit बोलने का जरूरत क्या है?
True. बाकी qualities देख ही रहे हो आप मेरा पूरे टाइम में.